Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a seagull. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our seagull, let's begin with the eye. We want to start right up here, and to draw the eye, let's just make a little line that's going to come up and down. Then we'll go down and then up, kind of like a football shape. Right inside of here, we'll make a little black dot. Now we're going to start down and a little bit over from the beak, or from the eye, and we're going to make the beak. So to do this, let's draw a line that's going to come over. Then right here we'll draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come towards the eye. Then we'll go down and bring it back over here. We'll make a line that goes in, and then it's going to come back. We'll bring it in and kind of up here. Starting here for the top of the head, let's draw a line that's going to curve around. And then it's going to come down here. Then right here we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and we'll curve it around. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we'll just curve it to here for the body. Then right here we're going to make a line that's just going to go down. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve around. And then for the feathers, we're going to draw some lines that are going to go down, and we're going to have a slight curve to them. So we're going to do this all the way along here. And you can see these are at quite a bit of an angle. Then we'll just connect it here. Next, starting here for the tail, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We'll make a couple little points on here for some feathers, and then we'll bring it up. Now right back here, I'm going to add a couple little longer feathers for kind of the tips of some of the wings. Starting here for the legs, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and in on each side for a little bit of a bump. Then we'll make the lines come down here for the skinny legs. For the foot, let's just draw a line that's going to come out and back. And another one's going to go out and back. And we'll make one more here, and then connect it. Then we just want to add that little webbing in between there. We'll add the next leg here. We'll make that kind of like curved parentheses shape. We'll come down on each side. I'm going to go out and then come back, and then we'll do one here, just so it looks like it's kind of hidden. And then I'm going to just add a little toenail on the end of each foot, or each toe. Now right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then a line that comes back here for a little bit of detail. Now right along the body, I'm just going to add a couple quick little lines on here just for a little bit of detail. And a little bit right along the back of the head, just for some detail on the head, just to show a little bit of feathers and stuff. And we'll also add a couple little lines here too. and a couple here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a seagull. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.